So winter solstice celebration. So what is winter solstice for the first time? ये क्या होता है? मतलब winter solstice is seen during around 20th of December in the northern hemisphere, when the sun rays are directly incident on the Tropic of Capricorn. And winter solstice pe we see it marks the shortest day and the longest night in the northern hemisphere. So you can see in the picture that people are simply yearning for the promise of spring, which has marked the dawn of the shortest day of the year. So yearning for the spring से हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Promise of the spring. It reflects कि change is the only constant in life. Winters are not forever, any season is not forever. So it reflects the relevance of change that you can see people are yearning for through this picture.